Hello everyone. Today we will see how to host your n8n for free. So first go to this website, that is render.com, and then click on sign in, and you will see there are multiple options to log in. So I'll use this Google, and you can use your email ID and password. First you have to register. So first register here, and then you can use this um, Google sign in option, and after the login you will be registered to this dashboard, and then go to this web service option, and here you can go to existing image and then paste this URL that I'll be providing you in the description, and then click on connect, and you can give it whatever the name you want, and you can choose the server, and I'll keep the same, and then click on this free. So we'll use this free account. There are limitations to it, but for the learning purposes and for the initial stage, this is okay for us. And then we'll just deploy this web service, and then should be it for some time. It will take a bit. So now, as you can see, the status has changed to live. Previously it was in progress, and now it is live. So, and click on this link. It might take a bit, but then you'll see this option of creating your account or undone. So let's create our account and give the password, and then click on next. So here you can provide the details. If I can see, there is no option to skip. Still, let's follow the details. You can choose the option whatever you want. I just select randomly. So you will see this dashboard over here. Go to the settings. You will see this pop-up over here. Unlock selected paid features for able. So click on this, and then click on this send me a free license key. So you will receive an email. So here if you see, there is an n8n.io. Click on this, activate license key. So I think this will not work, and let's do one thing. Let's copy the license key from here, go to this and enter activation key, and then paste it over here, and then click on activate. So if your pro features are unlocked on n8n, and now there is an issue with the free plan. Let's check what it is. So if you can see, your free instance will spin down with inactivity, which can delay request by 50 seconds or more. So basically there is an issue with this free version that after 15 minutes this will not work, that your services will go down, and then you have to run the services again. So to fix that, we have one more website, that is cronjob.org. Let's go on to that, and I already have account on this, so you can create an account and sign in on that, and then create cron job, and then you can give a title, and then you can just paste the URL over here. And here, if you see, you can select the timing. So I'll just keep it at 10 and then create. So now what it will do, it will just take this link and hit on this in every 10 minutes, so that your free instance will not go down and that will continue to work. So this is how you can host your n8n for free. And then now you can use this n8n however you want. You can create a template or use any existing template if you want. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching, and you can please subscribe.